Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. You may want to know how to download the Logitech G Hub software. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step guide to get your Logitech devices working quickly. So let's get started! First of all, go to the description of the video and click on the link tagged with Download Logitech G Hub, and you will navigate to Bing search. Here, click on the first link, technogoyani.com. And here you go. We landed on the Logitech G Hub instant download page. Now scroll down the page and find the Logitech G Hub download section. This software supports both Windows and Mac OS. Here, 7 buttons are labeled with available OS versions. Click the button corresponding to the software you want to download. As I have Windows 11, I will click the first button and download the software on my PC. After completion of the software download, locate the software and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your PC. After following all the instructions, congratulations, you have successfully installed the software on your PC. If you don't know how to use the Logitech G Hub software, scroll down on this page to watch a video tutorial on how to use it. Thank you for watching video. I hope it helped you. See you again.